got it. Oh, she live at a party. Popping angles on the film. And my Chanel. Views been going up. We just got an M. She just bought it beans. Yeah, my girl goes in.
What we not gonna do is that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back to you with another video. So today I will be showing you guys my Instagram baddie, my take on an Instagram baddie makeup tutorial. So if you are interested in how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Today we are starting off with a fresh face, and we're gonna prime the face with the NYX Honey Do Me Up. And this oil is very nice. It feels like aloe vera on the skin, and it doesn't dry down super matte. It gives your skin a nice finish. So I really like this, and it's available at Ulta. And then I'm doing my brows with my Reshae palette from BHCOSMETICS, and I'm using this dark brown. And I'm just kind of creating a shadow of my eyebrow with this dark brown color. Next, I'm going in with this black color from the same palette, deepening up the tail end of the brow. And this just makes your brows look super snatched. And for our Insta Baddie makeup, we want everything to be extra bold and poppin'. So next, to carve out the brows, we are using the Fenty Beauty PROFILTER Concealer, and this is in the shade 410. This product is really creamy, so I like it because I can really blend it out after I carve out my brows, so it's not looking like a harsh line. And I do this on the bottom, and then I go on top of my brow as well and carve it out with the concealer. Now I'm going in again with 410 from the Fenty Beauty ProFilter Concealer, and I am just concealing my dark spots and the little dark bags under my eye, and I'm using a foundation brush to blend this out. And then I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty ProFilter Foundation, and this is in the shade 410. And I'm just putting this all over my face and blending it out with this sponge, or with the brush. After I blend it out with a brush, I always go in with a sponge to make sure it's fully blended and seamless. Next, I am taking, this is the shade 360. And I'm just going up under the eye and doing the chin and above my brows on my forehead to highlight, and I'm letting that sit while I contour. And so I've been doing this new like nose contour thing, and I've really liked it. And this is using the ProFilter Concealer in 470, and I am just blending this out. So this gives you that saturated effect. If you were like editing your Instagram pictures and you turn the saturation up so you look super pigmented and warm and all that stuff, that's why I'm using this concealer. It's really good for bringing color back into the face. And then I'm using this small brush to blend out the nose contour. I added a little bit more of 360 on the bridge of my nose, and I'm just blending out the concealer with a sponge, and then I'll go back in with the butt of the sponge and just kind of blend everything together so it looks nice and smooth. And then I let this concealer sit for a minute, so it actually got pretty tacky, and I wasn't expecting it to get that tacky because I don't think I've ever left it on that long before. So I'm gonna go in with some of my 410 concealer again and just blend out the edges into that contour color, so I'm not looking too bright under the eye. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty ProFilter setting powder. This is in the shade Honey, and I'm just using my sponge to pat that product in under the eye. Everywhere I highlight it with the concealer, I'm using this powder, and then I also go around the rest of my face with this powder and just press it in. To set the bronzer, or to set the contour, I'm using my Bronzer palette from Morphe brushes, and this is in the shade Blogger. And this one looks very rosy again, so it gives you that saturated effect. And then we're adding some baked powder blush from Milani, and this also warms up your face. So the contour and blush steps of this routine really warms up the face for a nice saturated look in your Instagram pictures. And here I'm just using my Sephora Micro Smooth as usual to blend everything together. And then I'm taking the Bronzer palette in Showmance to deepen up the eye so it looks more natural, matching the darker portions of my face. And then I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And then y'all know this little thing in this Ziploc bag is my Milani strobe highlighter, and it's in the color Gold Addict. For those of you who don't know, I broke the top and I cannot find it. So this is a super pretty highlighter color, and I wanted to make it a little bit more intense after this because we're going all out. This is an Insta Baddie, you know, tutorial. So I'm going in with Radiant from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and this shade is booming, okay? It is booming. And so, like, honey, look, if I turn to the left, turn to the right, you see me. Alright guys, so I went and put on some lashes. I believe these are the Drunk in Love lashes by Icon. They're their 3D mink lashes. I threw on my Cardi B X Fashion Nova little t-shirt dress, and this highlight, yeah, I cannot get over this highlight. It is booming. Like, Ray, she did it with this palette, and I've been sleeping on my palette lately, I ain't gonna lie, but it's going back in my everyday pal because yes, it is popping. So this isn't your everyday makeup glam. This is your Instagram baddie. So you want your contour to be extra sharp, you want your highlight to be extra booming, your lashes to be popping. I haven't even done anything to the lips. Should I go matte or glossy? I don't know. I don't have any other lip gloss or lipstick here except for my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, so I'm just going to put that on really quickly and gloss up the lips. This gloss is so pretty. This is in Fenty Glow, the original one. But yeah, so that's all I did. I put on my shirt, put on my lashes, and we are ready to go, ready to get some pictures for the gram. We are looking super snatched. We are looking super glam, and I am loving every minute of it. This ponytail is giving me life. So yes, there'll be details on this ponytail in an upcoming video. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can get notified when I upload. So yeah guys, this basically wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.
Lil' baby got it. Oh, she live at a party. Poppin' angles on the film. And my Chanel. Views been going up. We just got a M. She just bought a beans. Yeah, my girl go see.